In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Shopify store in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're launching your first store or updating an existing one, getting your Shopify store live for the world to see is a pivotal moment. We'll walk through the necessary steps, ensuring a smooth transition from setup to launch. First things first, navigate to the Shopify website. This is your starting point. Once you arrive, you'll notice a login option located prominently on the page. Clicking on this will move you one step closer to getting your store live. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. It's crucial to use the email associated with your Shopify account to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your email, it's time to proceed to the next step. Following your email entry, the next screen will ask for your password. Carefully type in the password associated with your Shopify account. Paying attention to detail here is key. A simple typo can prevent you from logging in. After entering your password, click on the Login button to access your Shopify dashboard. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be directed to a page referred to as My Store Home. This area serves as the command center for your Shopify operations. Here you can manage orders, view analytics, and most importantly for us today, make your store accessible to the public. Once you're on the My Store page, your next move is to click on Online Store. This option is found in the left-hand side menu, acting as the gateway to your store's online presence and where all the magic happens regarding how your store looks to the world. As you're moving along, you'll next click on Preferences. This section is crucial for tweaking various settings related to your store's visibility online. Preferences allow you to control various aspects of your store, adjusting them to better suit your brand and how you want it represented. In the Preferences section, you'll need to address the password protection feature. During the setup and design phase, Shopify allows you to protect your store with a password, preventing unintended visitors from accessing it before you're ready to launch. To go live, this password protection needs to be removed. You'll see a highlighted area concerning password protection. Click on this. As you find the right section to remove your password, you'll be prompted or shown a visual cue on exactly where to disable this feature. Ensuring not to skip this step is vital for making your store public. Go ahead and click again on the highlighted section corresponding to the password protective feature. By removing the password, you're essentially unlocking the door to your store, inviting the world in. This step is what transitions your store from a personal project to a public marketplace. Confirm that you want to remove the password, solidifying your decision to go live. Finally, removing the password protection is the last hurdle before your store is officially open for business. Congratulations! By following these steps, you've successfully published your Shopify store. Remember, launching your store is just the beginning. From here, you'll transition into managing day-to-day operations, marketing your products, and driving sales. However, taking this step to go live is crucial and really something to celebrate. You've transitioned from the planning and creation phase to owning a live e-commerce site. Well done. As we wrap up, it's important to revisit your store's settings occasionally to ensure everything is optimized and functioning as it should. The world of e-commerce is dynamic, requiring regular updates to your store to stay ahead. Also, consider diving into the analytics provided by Shopify to understand customer behavior and pinpoint areas for improvement. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to publish your Shopify store. Whether you're just starting out or have been in the game for a while looking for a refresher, I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Best of luck with your e-commerce journey. Here's to your success.